Hello there, thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to take you through a lodge here in, where am I? Look around. I don't see no signs that says what city this is. Huh. Go figure. We must be in Evanston then. Or Evanston, actually. Evanston Lodge number 4. Right here at this Masonic Center here. They actually own this building is my guess, but I could be wrong. I will say this. We're going to Evanston Lodge number 4 here in Evanston, Wyoming, and their entrance is actually right around the side, but my guess is they probably own this building and they rent out the front to businesses, because this one is located right downtown. It's the old downtown too. So we're gonna go in here and take a tour of the lodge, and I called ahead and got someone's gonna meet me here in just a few minutes. They're actually having an Eastern Star meeting, which is a good sign. Means they got a prosperous Eastern Star chapter here. But we're gonna go inside. Hopefully it's not set up for Eastern Star. We're about to find out. So come along, join us, because you just entered the Coolest Life Masonic Edition. Arrived, so we are in. Basically, as I mentioned, the entrance is from the back, and they definitely do own the building. I find out, and it is they have renters downstairs that help pay the bills. That's for sure. So this is some of their items that they have here for representing York Rite. Do have York Rite meets here, and they've also got a Scottish Rite that meets here, and actually tonight they've got the there's a Job's Daughter that meets here, and there's also a Scottish Rite, York Rite Shrine. Here we go. And so they've got some shadow boards here. Some of their past Grand Masters from this lodge. There's 6 of them, to be exact. So that's actually a lot for one lodge. Definitely shows their involvement and everything. They got a nice big full kitchen, big industrial everything. Elevator, that's always handy, and dining room. I mentioned to the master who let me in today that you can always tell there's a lady's touch here with the flowers and everything. That's always, you always tell that either the ladies are involved or there's probably an Eastern Star chapter here, and well, there's an Eastern Star meeting tonight. So definitely some past masters here they're going to have. Service Years Award. Oh, nice. All right. And so there's your leaders of your, yeah, that would be your leaders of your Eastern Star. Tell them you got an active chapter, they'll do that, and they put them either on a plaque or something like that. Now this is, before we go in the main room, here's the altar that they have here. It's a good size altar. It's a little taller than most that I find. And it's got their items that they have in there. You can see their columns for their wardens and the marshal staff, and oh, I like those. Those are nice. Nice setting maul. Good size. Is girthy too. That's probably 2.5 pounds maybe. That's good size. I like that. Typically find a lot more gavels, but the setting mauls are nice. That's something y'all use in degree work, or just this is your standard?
Occasionally, yeah.
Okay. Do you typically use the gavels in your regular work?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. That's pretty common. I'm not going to reach down there and get that vibe on anything, but I like that. It's heavy too. Nice piece. As we go in, you can see this beautiful room. It's in great condition. It's got the curved corners that you don't see a lot often. Is there some indirect lighting also up there also? Do you know?
No, I think it's just all the direct lighting there.
Okay, gotcha. I did see this peephole here. Don't see a lot of, most peepholes I see are round. They got a little spinner on them or something. I don't see many that are square, and also this has got a piece on the other side of it there. That's neat. Don't see that very often. Good sized door too. Good sized door. Taller than most doors. So is that one to the side. This room is set up for Eastern Star. So I may show you. I don't do a lot of videos of Eastern Star because, well, I'm not a member of Eastern Star, but I can tell you that Pentagon is pretty common to see. I think the last one we saw, the whole altar was these colors here across the top of it. This one here is a little different. So they got all symbolisms around the altar. And I don't think I've ever been in a place that had an Eastern Star that did not have a piano. And they almost always have someone that plays the piano. Of course, the treasure was set there. That's where you got your cross keys. And your master was set here. So they got the G up top. And of course, the Eastern Star logo there. Let's see, we got some charters here. Warren Constitution, Evanston Chapter 2. Okay. So there's their Grand Lodge, Wyoming. There's a charter for Evanston Lodge number 4 here. Nice. So many of these get damaged in fires and floods, and it's always nice to see some that look real original. I'd say, gosh, half of the charters I find have been either damaged or got severe watermarks on them, or they had to get them reproduced, and I hate to hear that. But I do have 3 steps here that you would see for the master. You got your smooth ashlar here and your rough ashlar over there. So this is their Eastern Star here. Okay, so here's your altar for your master. You know me, I hate that arrow pointing down. But that's just me. That's just my own opinion. They say once you remove the square, the compasses from the squares shouldn't move. But anyway, got the quills on the front there. And you see this, the point within a circle. You see that a lot. I don't think I've ever been to a lodge in the state of Florida that did not have one of these on the wall somewhere. And so, but just having the point within a circle is pretty common to see. The things I do for these videos. So this is a pagoda. It's like a little place to meet. It's Japanese in origin, I believe is what it is. Or Chinese, I'm sorry, Chinese in origin. But this was actually erected and dedicated by the Masons here locally. Cool. Whew, it's raining out there. I'd run from that pagoda to get here back in my car. It's coming down a little bit. I guess it's kind of stopped. But anyway, be sure to like and subscribe, and check out the other videos I have on Masonic buildings from around the country. And this was a really good, really nice building. I'm glad they're keeping it. I'm glad they're people are using it, not just the Blue Lodge. So really enjoyed it. I'm glad the city master gave me a chance to go through the lodge and take pictures and take you along with me. And I wish it was set up for a regular lodge, but hey, I'll take what I can get when I'm just flying through town. But obviously they were using it for Eastern Star. But anyway, be sure to like and subscribe, and check out the other videos as I mentioned, because I didn't get back out here living the coolest life, Masonic edition.